What's up, everybody? This is Brooks at Japan Direct Motors. Today we're going to be doing a walk around of this BJ74. It's a 1988 model. We're going to take a look at all the exterior, the interior, all the features, the engine and everything. Like I said, it's a 1988 model. It's a BJ74. It has the removable hard top. It's called a FRP top. It does unbolt, and wouldn't be something you'd do in one day or anything like that, or just a few. You wouldn't do it for a daily drive. You would do it for a season or something like that. But you could take the whole top off there. Has the running boards. Has a front mount winch that is factory. It's a PTO driven winch. The truck's automatic. The winch is in very good condition and it does work correctly. It's turbo and diesel. Has the 13B motor. We'll just go around the outside of the truck. The truck has been painted. All the paint looks really good. There's no scratches or dents in the truck at all. Plastic on the lights look good. Paint has a nice flake to it. You can see that in the sun. Nice thing about these 70 series trucks is this nice cool looking fender flare here. Really gives the truck a unique look. Tires and wheels all the way around are the same. They're BFGs. It's a 31 by 1050 15. Let's take a look at the interior of the truck. The door panels are nice, clean. The dash is in good condition. It doesn't have any cracks. Passenger seat doesn't really show any wear at all. It's really cool. Has the turbo inlay in there. The driver's seat was replaced at some time. It's also in fair condition. It does have a hole in the seat right there. In and out shows a little bit of wear right here, but none so much on the side or the bolster. We'll make it over that way in a minute. It is obviously a four-wheel drive truck. You can engage it into four-wheel drive, 2 high or 4 low. This is your PTO winch right here, and you would put it in neutral and engage the PTO winch, and then use reverse to let it out and drive to reel it back in. More gas, more power. The rear seats look good. And the top is also in good condition. That back there in the left hand corner at the top is a 12 volt for like plug in any kind of cigarette adapter thing right here. This one little mark right here on the carpet on the back of the back seat. Other than that, the carpet's really clean. Looks good. The door jambs look good. Here's the door panel on this side. Has a thermometer and an altimeter. Truck showing 323,000 kilometers. It's 323,467, which comes out to 200,500 miles basically. It does have an aftermarket Nardi steering wheel. It's very nice for comfort and grip. The truck cranks right up at the touch of the button. Go out here and take a look at the engine. It's got the dual battery system, and it has the 13B diesel engine that's turbo. Turn the truck off and get a view of the undercarriage of the vehicle. While we got the sun out, I can show you an idea of maybe if we can get an idea of the fleck in the paint there and how good it looks in the sun. And we'll take a look at the undercarriage of the vehicle. Real quick, we'll get y'all a picture of the top of the vehicle, and I think that should have the whole thing covered. Again, this is a 1988 BJ74 turbo diesel Toyota Land Cruiser. It's automatic. It's offered at JapanDirectMotors.com. We appreciate your interest in our vehicles. and we want to know if there's any feedback that y'all have or anything that we might could include in our videos or something that we didn't show on this one. Feel free to message us, give us a call. We'll be glad to answer any questions you might have or take any additional pictures that you might need to help you to feel comfortable with this truck. Thank you for your interest, and we look forward to hearing from you.